And then number 8 is to adapt and innovate. This is the last part of the drone MBA methodology. Adapt and innovate. And this is very important in anything that is new. All right. And I say drones are new. Drones have been around a while. They've been around. They're not new in the sense that the technology is new. They're new in the sense that they have become much more affordable for more people to purchase them, and they're a technology that has got a lot of money behind it to develop this technology to find new solutions that drones can solve or problems that drones can solve. The all of the different aviation authorities in various countries are trying to figure out ways to make sure that drones can operate safely alongside manned aircraft. They're not going anywhere. Okay. So there's a lot of changes that are going to happen. There's a lot of changes that have happened. And the reason I say they're new is because this is something that in the US, you've been able to get your drone license for several years now. Before that, it was you had waivers and things like that, exemptions. But there's a lot of people that are really spending a lot of time on this now. Okay. When you are in any sort of emerging technology, I don't care what it is, you have to be flexible. You have to look at things for what they are and adapt and pivot if you need to. Okay. So I planned out the year. I planned out all the different trainings that I'm going to offer this year, all the different services that I'm going to offer this year. Things change, things happen. And so you need to be able to adapt, innovate, pivot, etc., just based on new technology, like I said earlier, new technologies that might come out, new regulations that might be put in place. Companies might go out of business. That's another thing that you really see with something in a newer technology. You'll see companies pop up and then they either are underfunded and they go out of business, or they get bought out by some other company.